Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to prioritize work using Motion AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So if you want to prioritize your work using Motion AI, all you gotta do is simply go to Motion AI. Once you're in Motion AI, you need to simply input your task with details like deadlines, importance, and estimated time. And its AI will automatically schedule them onto your calendar, dynamically resorting to handle urgent changes and ensure high priority items gets done first. Initially, acting as your personal auto optimizing planner. So if you're going to use your Motion AI in this manner to input your task and details and simply let the AI schedule it, you can simply prioritize your work using Motion AI. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.